TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Morning, folks. Let's walk right around the world. We're going to start over in the FTSE in the UK. What we have with the FTSE out here thus far this morning is this. We're at 68.85. FTSE tagged its September 4th high, has given it up on price. Volume is lighter. We'll see if, in fact, by 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, it's going to close under this high. I do expect that's what we have. Why? Because we go to the DAX next. The DAX in Germany. What do we have in Germany? Same type of setup in Germany. Germany, no doubt, the DAX has been at nice highs. It broke out. When it broke out on the 16th of January, that was a price point of 9,900. You're at another 1,000 points higher. It's having a tougher time up at these levels. Now, let's go to our own markets, okay? So you got to remember the S&P, the cash S&P, the number to keep your eye on is 2093.55. What we had out here yesterday, market stayed sideways. You stayed over the price. We'll see, in fact, if that can happen this morning. When we take a look at the futures, what you have is this, is that right off the bat, your first sell in the future market was a downtown sell. You had some juice behind that move, big time, too, not in a small amount. The first sell inside a 10-minute bar was 71,000 contracts. So what that says is this. We're at 2090 right now. The low out here was 2090. It's saying that, guess what? This future is going to go after that low. And if we take a look at the future itself, the number on the future for a failure at these highs is 2088. What it looks at this point, and you'll know within about an hour and a half, it looks like you're going to have volume on the way down here. And what that would basically set up is that would set up the next few days lower price. We'll see whether you get an expansion of volume as you get into that lower price. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? What you had with gold out here yesterday is this. Yesterday, gold had wide price spread. You had volume come in, meaning expanded volume. However, that volume was still dramatically lighter than December 1st. This morning, you've tested the lows. You've done it on dramatically lighter volume. What I expect you're going to see here is you're going to see a rejection of the low of yesterday of that 1203. We hit 1202. You'll see the gold equities and the silver equities continue to go topside. The divergence that we had out here yesterday inside the metal market, if you happen to be in that metal market, folks, was huge. They smoked gold, they smoked silver, but yet they couldn't take the equities with them. King dollar. King dollar. Let's talk about King dollar. Now, King dollar, folks, okay, looks that it has topped out on January 26th. That's the way, January 23rd. Right now, we'll see whether it can basically either test the low, the swing low out there of February 3rd, rather. It looks to me that that's what you're going to have. What you have with King dollar out here this morning is that you have an expansion. You have 343 ticks with absolutely zero volume behind that move. The financials, the XLF, what we have inside the financials out here is that the financials right now are at the top of their range. What is going to be what's a wild card out here today is this, is that our U.S. Attorney General, Eric Holder, has given his prosecutors 90 days, 90 days, folks, in order to bring charges from two individuals from the financial crisis of 2007. So that baby, meaning, you know, there's a lot of people that I'm sure are going to be praying out there for the next 90 days. There's no two ways about it. This afternoon, folks, you stay tuned to my show. At 4:30, we have our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney, the president of Everbank World Markets on, and we're going to be, of course, talking currencies. We're going to be talking commodities. We're going to be talking the metal market. What you can expect out here today is that SPX number is an important number to keep your eye on. It's 2093.55. We'll see whether we get down there with any juice and if there's any pressure on the market. What you certainly do have out here, which we're going to have individual stocks that have pressure, is that all the 13 Fs have been come out the last couple days. What the 13 Fs are all about is that who is buying and who is selling. Have a great day. Have a safe day. You stay right there. Our man, Mr. Steve Rhodes, is coming up next.